Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. Kung hindi ka makarelate, hindi ka makaresonate, okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa naman. If you want, pwede ka naman magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Yeah, again, this is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Water Sign. Feel free to comment, guys, ha? Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment. Nagpapakita yan ng malaking suporta kasi sa akin, eh. The Chariot is here. The Karma is here. Two of Pentacles. Seven of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Marami kang gustong mangyari. Marami kang gustong makuha, ma-achieve. Kaya lang hindi mo alam kung anong uunahin. Or paano makakamit yung mga yon na mga gusto mo. May mga offer actually for you. I don't feel good dun sa offer. Teka lang. Tell me about the offer for water sign. Page of Cups. Maybe this is an offer of stability, or some kind of acceptance. Yung parang kailangan tanggapin mo to, ganyan. Ano yung advice towards this? Towards the offer? I can see possible, success dun sa offer na yon. Pero kailangan mo munang alamin or aralin mabuti. Pwedeng may kinalaman yan sa stability. And kailangan mo mag-take ng risk and maybe you need to end something. Like kung gusto mong i-accept si offer na ito, which is maganda naman yung offer, kailangan mo nga lang i-end. May mga bagay ka lang na kailangan i-end. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo parang lumalayo ka or umiiwas ka sa karma, which is pwedeng problema or tao na nagparamdam sa'yo ng lungkot or sakit. Okay. Pagdating sa love, ano yung mga messages for water sign? Pagdating sa love, ano yung mga messages for water sign? Temperance is here. The Empress. Someone is really waiting. Napansinin mo siya. Gusto ka niya and that this person is feeling unwelcome. Parang hindi siya welcome sa'yo. Parang hindi mo siya, wala siyang chance. And with the Five of Cups, I feel like sobrang nalulungkot itong taong ito dahil wala siyang pag-asa or wala siyang chance sa'yo. And that this person really do likes you. Gusto ka niya. Kaya lang parang wala siyang chance. Parang ganun yung feeling niya. Pwedeng pinaramdam or pinakita or sinabi mo na yun sa kanya. So that's why parang nasasaktan siya. Kasi naghihintay pa rin siya eh. Naghihintay pa rin siya kahit alam niyang parang malabo yung sa inyong dalawa. So, what is waiting for you in the future, water sign? Spirit guides, angel guides for water sign, please. For water sign, please. Future for water sign. The Eight of Swords is here. Six of Cups. Queen of Swords. The Strength card, Leo energy, and the Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck, Page of Wands. I can see possible messages regarding stability. Pero parang ang daming negative, alam mo yon, kaya parang hindi mo ma-accept or hindi mo ina-accept. I can see you na parang ba't ko i-accept? Okay naman na ako dito sa sitwasyon ko, or parang pwedeng ma-feel mo yung parang lugi, ganon. So, I see you walking away from these messages, from these emails, ganon, na parang hindi mo ina-accept kasi yun nga, parang okay ka naman na. And that, parang sanay ka naman na kung nasaan ka ngayon. So, you're contento na sinasabi. I can see you walking away from this new beginning. So, possible may new beginning, new opportunities for you, pero in the future, you're not open. No? Kasi with the strength card, Leo energy, nafe-feel mo na parang okay ka naman na, yung stable, you know, yung iba sa inyo, kampante ka na sa kung ano yung meron ka. So, this new beginning, you are not welcoming this at all. And also with the Six of Cups, gusto ko yung energy mo na balance yung buhay mo ngayon. Balance yung career, balance, this is for the future, no? Balance yung career, balance yung happiness mo, yung alam mo yon, yung hindi work. Ikaw yung in the future, possible may time sa work, may time sa kasayahan, you know, time para i-develop ang sarili mo, be more creative, and pwedeng aralin yung mga dapat pang aralin. So, I can see you being this person na masaya, nabubuhay kang masaya in the future. Kasi balanse ang lahat para sa'yo. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.